Hello dear students, good morning. Today we will see the chapter number 2, Children at Work from It So Happen. Today we will see the only first part of this chapter. In this chapter there is a story about Valu who was run away from home 2 days ago. Let's start the chapter. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at the Chennai Central, it took Valu some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly, as if he was still on a moving train. Way out of the way, a porter went by with a loaded trolley. Valu jumped aside. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people, except once a year at the time in his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases. So here Valu was an 11-year-old boy and he had run away from home. He got into a railway train without a ticket. He had nothing to do. So because he had to do so because he had no money. Means why he traveled without ticket? Because he had no money. So he traveled without ticket. Here he escaped the ticket collector's notice because he did not come to that unreserved compartment. Here he got off the train at Chennai Central. Means he reached from his village, he reached to the Chennai Central, and his legs were unsteady as if he was still standing in a moving train. It was because of tiredness, weakness and fear. The crowds and the way people looked upon him made him miserable. Because why? Because he did not see, or when he was on platform he saw that these many peoples as he had seen these many peoples in the fair of his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases, and a voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Near him a group of people sat on their luggage looking at the TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. Valu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. So the crowds and the way people looked up him made him miserable. He sat on a bench on the platform with his small bundle beside him. Here he was very hungry because for 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and some jaggery. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि यहाँ पे हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? तो यहाँ पे हम वैलू के बारे में बात करें तो वैलू जो 11 वर्ष का एक लड़का था जो घर से भागा हुआ था और बिना टिकट वह रेलगाड़ी में चढ़ गया था। उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? क्योंकि वो मजबूर था। और मजबूर क्यों था? तो उसने बिना टिकट सवारी क्यों की? तो बिना टिकट उसने सवारी इसलिए की क्योंकि उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे और वह टिकट कलेक्टर की नज़रों से बच गया, क्योंकि वह टिकट कलेक्टर उसे अनारक्षित डिब्बे में नहीं आया। मतलब जो डिब्बे में वो था उस डिब्बे में वो टिकट कलेक्टर आया नहीं। अब वो जो गाड़ी में बैठा था वो गाड़ी से चेन्नई सेंट्रल पर उतरा और उसकी टांगें ऐसे काँप रही थी जैसे अभी भी वह चलती गाड़ी में खड़ा हो। अब ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था? वो तो क्या है कि वो तो ट्रेन से उतर गया, फिर भी उसको ऐसा क्यों लग रहा था? तो ये ऐसा उसको थकान, कमजोरी और डर के कारण लग रहा था। भीड़ और लोगों की उसके ऊपर पड़ती नज़रों ने उसे परेशान कर दिया। मतलब वो परेशान हो के, लोग मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहे, मुझे ऐसे क्यों ताक रहे हैं, है ना। तो अपने छोटे से बंडल को बगल में रखकर वह प्लेटफॉर्म पर पड़े एक बेंच पर बैठ गया और वह बड़ा भूखा था। उसको बहुत भूख लगी थी क्योंकि 2 दिन से उसने सिवाय मूंगफली और गुड़ के एक टुकड़े के अलावा कुछ नहीं खाया था। Now we will move. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. He had walked for the most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. So, as we talked or as we discussed, that he left his house from the first day to Kannur. He come to Chennai via train. He had no money, so he didn't buy a ticket, and luckily ticket collector did not come to his compartment. So the whole night he tried to sleep on the floor near the door, but as he tried to sleep, a group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. So what new to town, है? Called out a rough voice. Velu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Here, he turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. And why is she girl wearing a banyan? No need to stare stupidly. What's your name? Velu, muttered Velu, looking away. So, Mr. Velu, said the girl, looking at his bundle, run away from home. So suddenly he heard a rough voice calling him. He saw here and there. So many people were standing around him, but he did not find that who was calling him. So again he heard the voice A, like the or A. He again look back, and he saw that one girl around his age was calling him. She was wearing a long banyan, and he had a brownish hair, one sack on his shoulder. So this is a description given about the girl. So Velu stared at her vacantly. Then he asked him his name. She guessed rightly that Velu had run away from home. So she told him that he won't get food sitting here. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि वैल्यू जब वहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म पे बेंच पे बैठा हुआ है, अचानक उससे उसने एक भद्दी आवाज़ सुनी जो उसे बुला रही थी। जब उसने यहाँ वहाँ देखा तो उसने किसी को देखा नहीं, उसने देखा मेरे चारों लोग खड़े हैं, मुझे कौन बुला रहा है, लेकिन उसे फिर वही आवाज़ फिर से आई। तो जब उसने पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो उसने देखा कि एक लड़की है, ठीक है, जो लगभग उसकी ही उम्र की थी, ठीक है, वो उसे बुला रही थी। वो लड़की ने लंबी बनियान पहनी थी और वैल्यू ने खाली नज़रों से उसकी ओर ताका। फिर उस लड़की ने जब उससे उसका नाम पूछा तो उसने अंदाज़ा लगाया, तो उसने अपना नाम बताया कि भाई मेरा नाम वैल्यू है। तो लड़की ने सही अंदाज़ा लगाया कि वैल्यू जो है वो अपने घर से भागकर आया था और उसने उससे कहा कि वहाँ बैठे बैठे उसे भोजन नहीं मिलेगा, है ना। उसने ऐसे कहा कि अगर तुमको कुछ खाना चाहिए तो यहाँ बैठे बैठे तुमको खाना मिलेगा नहीं। Velu didn't answer. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. He had run away because he couldn't stand his father beating him for one more day. His father would snatch away all the money Velu and his sisters earned and spend it on drink. So here the reason mentioned the why Velu left or why Velu run away from home, because his father was beating him for one more day and his father snatched all the monies which were earned by Velu and his sisters and he spent all that money on drink. Don't think, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, अब यहाँ पे कारण बताया गया है कि वैल्यू ने घर क्यों छोड़ा। तो वैल्यू को उसके पिताजी जो है वो बहुत मारते थे। उसके अलावा उसके पिताजी जो है वैल्यू और उसकी बहनें जो भी पैसे कमाते थे वो उनसे छीन लेते थे और वो सारा पैसा दारू पीने में, ड्रिंक करने में उड़ा देते थे। डोंट थिंक आई डोंट नो, दिस प्लेस इज़ फुल ऑफ चिल्ड्रन लाइक यू, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू हियर, बिकम रिच। शी सैट डाउन नेक्स्ट टू हिम। वैल्यू शिफ्टेड अवे स्लाइटली। He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Hungry? Asked girl. You won't get food by sitting here gloomy, making faces. I can find some if you want. तो यहाँ पे जो गर्ल है वो तो तू ऐसा मत सोच कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है। ये तो तू जो शहर में आया है, ये शहर तेरे जैसे बच्चों से भरा पड़ा है। तो तू यहाँ क्या करेगा, यहाँ आया है तो यहाँ आके क्या कर, तेरा प्लान क्या है। हाँ, तू क्या यहाँ आके रिच बनने आया है, मतलब पैसे वाला बनने आया है। तो ऐसे बात करते करते ही जो वो लड़की है वैल्यू के बाजू में बैठ जाती है, तो उसको वैल्यू जो है वो थोड़ा पीछे खिसकता है। तो ही फेल्ट हंगर पिचिंग हिम, हाँ उसको भूख लगी है, उसका पेट पकड़ के वो बैठा है, ठीक है। तो वो लड़की है वो उसको पूछती है कि क्या तुझे भूख लगी है, ठीक है। तो वो लड़की फिर उसे कहता है कि यहाँ बैठे बैठे तेरा फेस देख के कोई तुझे खाना देगा नहीं। आई कैन फाइंड सम इफ़ यू वांट, तुम अगर चाहो तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाने की कुछ व्यवस्था कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ खाने की व्यवस्था कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा वो लड़की जो है वो वैल्यू को बोलती है। She picked up her sack and started to walk away. Velu stayed on the bench. What should he do? Should he follow this girl? Why was she going to take him? She was disappearing in the crowd, so he had to make up his mind quickly. All right, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She wasn't even looking back to see where he was. So the girl who was sitting next to Velu was a rag picker. Rag picker मतलब कचरा उठाने वाली. She picked up her sack and moved away. So Velu thought she was his only hope. So he followed हर। तो यहाँ क्या है कि वो लड़की जो है थी, वो लड़की कौन थी, तो कूड़ा बीनने वाली, मतलब कूड़ा उठाने वाली थी। तो उसने अपना थैला उठाया और वहाँ से चलती बनी। और वैल्यू को लगा कि भाई ये शहर में मैं किसी को जानता नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, ये शहर में मेरी एकमात्र जो आस है वो ये लड़की है, तो वो उसके पीछे पीछे चल देता है। द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन। टिल द थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।